Our story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include keyless ignition, satellite radio, heated mirrors, steering wheel controls, MP3. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Rio. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, remote trunk release, FWD, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.